CEFI provide data that would allow IEP case managers to write IEP goals and design intervention programming?
The 9 sub-scores on the CEFI are really designed to give you a better understanding more specifically of what's happening with the students. So if the issue is a combination, and it will be a combination of more than one thing, because you're not going to get one score is going to drive the total score down that far, then what you need to do is look at those various dimensions and build those into the IEP, and also look more closely at the individual item level, because we do provide a level of analysis even at the item level to determine when particular items are rated low enough that they warrant further attention. And so we would definitely go at that level as well. And it can most definitely become part of the IEP, and we could look at progress over time.